I'm Allison and going to talk with you today about a Nordic salad. So as you can see, I've already made it and it's very beautiful and full of nutrition. And it's so adaptable because really you can substitute all kinds of different ingredients depending on what is available for the season and at your grocery store. So this recipe calls for 30 small tomatoes. In the market right here, we have these small, beautiful little grape tomatoes. So I use these and just cut them lengthwise. In the summer, we often have beautiful cherry tomatoes and often heirloom tomatoes. Tomatoes are great too because they're just full of phytonutrients and lycopene, so just a nutrition powerhouse. Next, we have a cup of blueberries. And blueberries are also a nutrition powerhouse. So much research has backed up wonderful health benefits of blueberries. And we add a cup in here with the cherry tomatoes. After that, we add radish or beet greens. From the original recipe that was made up in Sweden, and this recipe, the salad, was made to go along with a crayfish fry, which is sort of traditional in the summer up in Sweden. And so they have these beautiful radish leaves that are a light yellow with a lovely vein formation. The radish leaves we have right here in Seattle are just a regular kind of green, again, a nice peppery kind of sort of flavor. On the other hand, you can also use beet greens, and I just took a few off here. And the beet greens also have this beautiful red vein in there. And sometimes you can get baby beet greens, so they'd be really tiny. At the market today, I didn't have the baby ones available, so I just chopped up these big ones. So again, you can be so flexible. Just kind of look at what's in your market, what's fresh. You'll see the most nutrients in the fresh local produce and utilize that. So I chopped up some of these, so just about a handful of greens, and put them on in this bowl. Okay, so now we have our three major ingredients. In addition, then we add 3 tablespoons of oil, and traditionally in the Nordic areas we use a canola oil, and then also 2 tablespoons of a sherry type of vinegar. And you just toss it with a fork and a spoon. Okay, and you can add a little salt and pepper if you like, and you can put in an edible flower, which I did here. Many supermarkets sell edible flowers, and you can get them at farmers markets, and so beautiful. They are just a little bit of that purple. It's so nice to have beauty as well as awesome nutrition as we prepare these recipes. What is really cool about this salad is you can see it takes no time at all to fix, right? And so easy to put together. You can enjoy your fish fry, enjoy chatting with your friends, and put together this salad. It's very adaptable if you live in other areas of Europe or even around the world. Use whatever greens are local and fresh. Any kind of berry can be used. This could become more of a Mediterranean salad. If you used olives, you could use chopped basil to go along with the tomato. So it's quite versatile. You could use an olive oil instead of canola. So it's very flexible. It can be used really in all kinds of cultures, and it is so delicious.